Hey guys, I have just heard about this open house coming up.
What open house?
Tell us about it.
So, on October 26th, we will have an open house.
What will we have there?
Do you have competitions?
Yeah, of course. We have fashion design, toy making, and making musical instruments.
Can we join?
No, that's only for primary students.
Primary? How about kiddie?
Yeah, we have finger painting and fashion show competition for them.
Fashion show? How cute!
From 8 to 1 as usual?
Yeah, and we will also have some performances from PIS students.
So who is invited?
As usual, I guess. Students from other schools are encouraged to participate, right?
Right! Oh, I almost forgot. We have spelling bee competition for primary students.
So what are we going to do there?
We have a big job to do. We have our own booth that we need to prepare with.
So everyone, don't forget, 26th of October 2013 from 8 to 1. Be there and participate.